Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, we will go to search bar, then type here PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. So right click on it and select run as administrator. Select as. Once we are here, we need to execute some commands. So to avoid mistakes, I am providing you the commands in the description below. Just copy them and paste it here. For example, so here it is. I will execute this command. Just copy it, and you can simply right click on this area to paste that command. Also, there is another way to paste it. Simply right click here, select edit and select paste. Once done, hit enter to execute this command and type exit. Again, go to search bar, type PowerShell. Again, right click on it and select run as administrator. Select S. Now we will execute the second command. Just copy this command from the description below and paste it here and hit enter. So this will open Microsoft Store, and now we will install the gaming services from here and just restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go. Tap exit to close this.